Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is New Manhwa, Flower of Youth. Chapter 4. I'll never let you disappear again. The feeling of having to live without Kan. I won't let it happen again. Don't be stubborn. Bob, you're grown up now. You can't ACT stubborn like a kid anymore. And Kan is no longer the same person who would do whatever Bob wanted like before. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to drop off Tavan and for helping me shop for the store. Step. But please don't do this again, Bob. Let's part ways here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for having to be harsh. I'm sorry that I made you sad, Bob. Even though I just wants to hold you tight. And wants to shout out loud that I miss you more than anything in the world. But now, it really can't be like that anymore. I'm really sorry.
Ding dong.
I'm here, ringing the bell this much. Did you really miss me that much? Yawn, sleepy, creak. Kipravi, where's Perfob? Bang. Why are you asking me about your own sister? If you don't know, how would I know? But you are a Perfob's close friends, who she tells everything to, more than she tells me. Then you must know where that Perfob disappeared to again today. I really don't know where Bob went, but the reason I gave you the keycard is so that you can come and go as you please. So you can go complain to me inside my room instead of standing here looking all cute for everyone to see. So, come inside the room before the landlord starts complaining, okay? Yawn. A blanket. Are you sleeping on the sofa again? I just got back from editing the room at 4 am, too lazy to go upstairs so I just slept here. Then why did you buy a 2-story condo? If you're going to work so hard that you are too tired to walk like this. Covering up. Give some of the bed's salary to the sofa. Peek. Obviously, the sofa works harder than the bed, it even has its own blanket. Grab. If it were an office worker, it would probably get rich doing OT. Glance. Just missing a bolster, let me hug you instead. My outfit is completely crumpled already. I'll iron it for you later, or you can wear mine. But let me sleep first. I'm really tired. So, will I ever find out where Perfob went? She fell asleep. I guess I'll have to tell Mom that no one's free tonight. Maybe. I'm sorry, Mom, but I don't want to be apart from this amazing person. Now good night, Peak Pitti. Flower founder. Ok, this stock for this round is all set. Suddenly. Oh, she went back already. Thought she's even more stubborn than this. But it's good with her now, I guess. Suddenly. Growing up to be like this is the best. Kan, you dropped the cloth on the floor. Thank you. Are you about to go to work, Freen? Today, I have the day off, so I can help you to delivering flowers. Oh, then please come inside first, we just got new flowers in. Thought it'd be someone else. Hello, are you working late today? It's fine. I'm free, so I can wait here. Ok, see you later. It's already this late. Why hasn't Tavan come back yet? Hello, this is Tavan's guardian speaking. May I ask if there's an event at school today? It's already evening, but Tavan still hasn't come home. Tavan left at 4 pm, Mom. He left at 4 pm. How did he get home? Did he go back by himself? No, someone came to pick him up. Grab. Someone picked him up. Who could it be? He said she was a close friend of his mom and you trust her. Worried. Then we saw the car that picked him up. Was the same one that dropped off you and your son this morning. Whoosh. Kan, are you heading out?
Hello, Mommy. Mommy, look. Auntie took me to buy toys, and I even got a rare one. Can I bring it to play with my friends tomorrow, Mommy?
My son is back now. Thank you very much. Tavan's homeroom teacher. So you came home late because you went to buy toys. Tavan, go upstairs and do your homework first. I need to talk to Aunt Pio.
Mommy.
I said, go upstairs. Tavan, you can go upstairs first. Let me talk to your mom for a bit.
Okay, Auntie.
Crestfallen. Are you mad that I picked up Tavan without telling you first? I'm sorry for not being considerate, which caused you to worry about your child this much. From now on, I'll think things through more carefully. Initially, I just planned to pick him up and take him home directly. But I saw Tavan standing and watching his friends play with toys while he had none. So I decided to take Tavan to buy one too. Why did you do this? It's just that Tavan's eyes, when he could only watch his friends play, looked so pitiful. I just wanted him to have toys like the other kids, that's all. This isn't your business. I told you not to interfere, I can take care of my kid myself. I told you to stop meddling with me. Do you want to bring trouble into your life? Why don't you think things through? You are a famous celebrity now, Bob. There are so many people watching and following your every move. Are you not listening? One small mistake, and your life could change forever. Why are you still so stubborn? You don't care about such trivial things. Can you stop being so self-centered, Bob? You are not a kid anymore. I'm still a kid. I'm still the same foolish kid who couldn't confess their first love in time to show how much she liked her. I'm still stuck as the kid from the day she failed to confess to Kan in time. Many years ago. Are you really going to Korea, Kan? He just called to say that Kan passed the audition. When will you go? He said to go next Nate. Next month. But we haven't even finished grade 12 by then, have we? Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.